everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. Myself is Kumar, and I will be the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before moving on to the today's demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, let me briefly introduce about myself so that we can move on to the session that we planned out for today. So as I told you, team, myself is Kumar, and I'm having total 12 plus years of industry experience, which is into IT. And out of that 12 years, since last 7 years, I have been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So in my 7 years of experience with this Oracle Fusion applications, I have been part of close to 10 plus projects. So when I say projects, I have worked on different types of projects with respect to this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Like I worked on implementation projects, I worked on support projects, and also I worked on testing projects in this particular technology. And coming to the countries or the clients that I worked for. So I got an opportunity to work with the clients across the globe. Like my clients are from US, UK, Canada, Australia, and also Middle East countries team. So I also worked on upgradation projects like e-business suite to Oracle Fusion, PeopleSoft to Oracle Fusion, or from SAP to Oracle Fusion, whoever the clients upgrading their ERP applications. I've been part of that upgradation projects as well, team. This is about my brief introduction with respect to my career with this particular applications team. And also I can say that I'm a certified Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications Implementation Specialist team. And also I'm a registered trainer with Oracle University, where I conducted several trainings and workshops for different participants team. And also I'm a corporate trainer for Oracle HCM Cloud Applications, where we have served a couple of companies with respect to the training for their employees in their in-house team. This is about brief intro about myself, what is my career and what is my experience with these applications. Now going forward for the next training part, I will be your trainer for these applications. And today I cannot take one-to-one introduction about you people. Once the session gets completed, I will have a discussion with all of you. Like after the session offline, I will be connecting with you and you can discuss with me what is your expectation from this training or what kind of guidance that you are looking for in order to start your career in this particular technology or the applications team. So let us move on to today's agenda, like what we are going to discuss in this today's demo. So this is what the agenda that which we planned for our today's demo team. So first we will talk about introduction to ERP applications. So the very first topic that we are going to see will be introduction to ERP applications team. What is this ERP is about? People who already having any prior ERP experience from EBS or from PeopleSoft or from SAP or from other products team, you might be familiar with what is the concept of ERP. But by keeping freshers also in mind, because we have a mix of population in today's session team. We have college passed out grads or people from other domains planning to switch to IT. We have a couple of different mix of population we are having in the today's class. So let us understand what is ERP team, because our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications will comes under the ERP category or ERP family. So what is ERP? How many products or what are the different companies that are available in the market under this ERP category? We will see the introduction here team. And then I will talk about what is Oracle Fusion application means. What is this application and its evaluation overview? Like in which year Oracle introduced these applications in the market. Since then, what is the evaluation of our Fusion application? That we will discuss here, team, right? And then once a customer or a company buy this product from Oracle Corporation in order to use for their in-house business activities, how the application will be delivered to the customer team. Basically, whenever a customer or a company buy this product from Oracle, Oracle will be delivering this product in the two deployment options team. We have on-premise deployment option and cloud deployment option. So we will see the difference between on-premises and cloud deployment option team. What is on-premise and what is cloud deployment option, we will see here. And within the cloud, if client going with a cloud subscription, we have again 3 deployment options available in cloud, like SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service. What are the 3 deployments available within the cloud? I will talk here, team, like when we're discussing on-premise versus cloud deployment option. And then, team, I will talk about types of companies involved, like any software product you take in the market. It might be our Oracle applications, or it might be AWS, it might be DevOps, any software technology you take in the market. Typically, how many companies involved, like who is selling this product, who is buying this product, and who will be the consulting company who implement the product. That understanding everyone should know, because when you're learning the course, you should know, once I learn this technology or once I learn this software course, where I will land upon, what I will be doing, in which companies that my job role will be. So in order to make you clear, we are going to discuss about types of companies involved in this particular product. And then, team, we will see Fusion environment releases. Means here I will talk about in which year Oracle launched this product, and when Oracle launched this product, what is the release version they came up, team. See, like any software in the market you take, they have their release versions, team. Like our Android or iOS, if you take, they also have their software versions, right? Android 4.5 to 5.5 upgradation, or 5.5 to 7.5, like that. So within our Oracle Fusion applications also, we have releases team. So what is the current release and what is the release policy? What frequency Oracle will follow, or what is the cycle Oracle will follow in order to upgrade their softwares or the application? I will talk here, team. And then we will see what are the modules that are available in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So this is a point many people will be not cleared with. Means what? Because whenever people used to inquire about the course, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical in the application? What will be the preferable choice for us? Right? So here I will be breaking that confusion for you, team. Like what comes under the functional side of the application, what comes under the technical side of the application. And frequently there will be one question people asking me, keep on, what is that? Kumar, I am not from a technical background. I don't know any prerequisites like SQL, PLSQL, Java, or any other languages that I don't know. Can I able to do this course? So here you will be getting answer to that one, team. So what is this application will be, whether we require any technical skills before learning this application or not, that I will explain you in modules in Oracle HCM Cloud, team. Then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means what? Again, many of you, whenever you start learning the course, once you enroll and once you start learning the course, any materials that you want to refer, basically we will provide our own custom materials to learn everything. But still, if you want to access Oracle University materials, where you have to go, that all navigations or the place that we have to go and download the Oracle standard documentation, I will talk here in Oracle Knowledge Repository team. Then we will see Oracle certification process. Means in this application, if you want to start a career, does certification is mandatory? Again, this is a question people usually ask me. So if at all, if you want to apply for a certification, what is the cost that will incur to you? Where you have to go and how the examination pattern, what support you are going to get from us, I will talk in Oracle certification process team. Then finally, we will conclude today's demo with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. Okay, this is about today's agenda that we are going to discuss team. So let me quickly move on to introduction to ERP. So what is ERP stands for? ERP is nothing but team enterprise resource planning. See, ERP is an acronym that stands for enterprise resource planning. What is it basically, team? It is a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' different business processes team like financials, supply chain, operations, commerce, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activities. What is it basically? See team, any company in the market you take, a very well-known Indian company if you want to take, or any company, you take Tata, Reliance, or you take Amazon, Flipkart, Apple, any company you take team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved. In every company, there will be a human resource department or a human resource wing or a business area who will be taking care of all the employee related management in that organization team. Then every company will have finance department or finance business area where that business area people will be handling all the financial activities in the organization like accounts receivables, then accounts payable, then maintaining the costings, everything that finance people will maintain. If it is a manufacturing company, they have supply chain wing, which will be responsible for materials, procuring the materials to finished goods, then procurement, then sales, CRM. In every company team, different business processes are involved. Now, in order to conduct all these business processes, a company requires a modular tech-based software applications team. For example, come to the human resource department in any company. As you people know, basically, what HR people in any organization will do, they are responsible for employee management in the organization. Means what team? The recruiting of the employees, hiring of the employees, nothing but then maintaining the employees, their transfers, their promotions, demotions, or their termination, or every month their absences, leave managements, or every month payroll processing, the salary payments to the employee, then performance evaluation of the employee, learning and development of the employees. These all things usually HR people in any company will be doing things. But in order to do all these HR activities, right, the company requires a modular software. You might ask me a question, Kumar, before this ERP application, how companies did all these activities? The traditional way or the conventional way is manual maintenance team. They used to maintain manual books. They used to write how many people are working in the organization. And today, how many people present, how many people absent. They used to take the attendance every day manually. And every month they used to pay salaries out of the system through cash or something. And they used to write in Excel, or they used to write manually in the books. But if it is a small company, okay, team. But if a company have 5,000 employees or 10,000 employees, will that be maintained manually? They can't maintain, right? They require a tech-based software application. So ERP applications are nothing but these are the tech-based business process management softwares that are available in the application. So with the introduction, with the concept of ERP, there are several companies in the market which are basically providing different ERP products team. One such product that is offered by Oracle Corporation is our Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. Like we have other ERP tools available in the market team, like we have SAP, then we have Iris, we have Salesforce, CRM, then we have Northgate, Blackboard, Pegasus, okay, we have Workday. These all are different ERP products available in the market. So Oracle is one among them team. So basically our Oracle Fusion application comes under ERP family. So ERP, if you ask me, it's a category or it's a business, business process basically. Under that team, there are different products available in the market, right? So in any company, why customers or the companies will use this products team? In order to conduct their different business processes. Okay. So just give me 1 second, team. Team, please don't use the annotate option because if you use that one, it's just scramble on the screen. Pavani, can you please deselect that annotate button, please? Right, thank you. So this is about the concept of ERP team. Our Oracle Fusion application comes under the ERP family. Okay. Now, if I move on to what is Fusion applications? So if you ask me, or if anyone asks me, Kumar, how you describe the Fusion applications as? So I can tell team, Oracle Fusion applications can be best described as they build on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. What do you mean by built on open standard based platform team? Whatever the components that you are seeing here, Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIE, Web Center Content, these all are different individual technical tools available in the market team. And the Fusion applications backend schema or the backend technology of the Fusion applications were built on all these individual technical tools team. This is just for information. If any one of you from technical background prior to this one, you can able to understand on what layers the Fusion applications working in the backend. So these are the different technical tools which are used for developing the Fusion applications team. Then they can be built on or they built on best business processes. What I mean by built on best business processes team, see whatever that you are seeing team, Oracle EBS, e-business suite, or PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are the individual ERP tools available in the market. When these are individual ERP tools team, prior to 2006, okay, I'm talking about prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP products available at that point of time. Oracle e-business suite is owned by Oracle Corporation. So Oracle's ERP application prior to Fusion is e-business suite. Okay. And then PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards. Then Siebel. These all are the different individual ERP products available at that point of time. Then what happened? During that time team, whatever the ERP products in the market, none of the applications are very stable in all the business areas. If I go to this slide, you can understand in the Fusion evaluation path. So if you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS area, like HR business area. But PeopleSoft is not very stable or not successful on the financials, supply chain, or CRM area team. If you check JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. Siebel is very good at CRM business area. Hyperion is at reporting. Then Oracle's own EBS or e-business suite is very good at financials business area team. But none of the applications at that point of time is very stable in all the business areas. So what Oracle did team, in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies. Anyhow, EBS is their own product. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, whatever the existing ERP products available in the market at that point of time. Oracle, with $18 billion acquisition, acquired all these products. And what Oracle did team, in the PeopleSoft application, HR business area is very stable and very successful. So Oracle taken the knowledge of HR business area from PeopleSoft. And from JD Edwards, Oracle took procurement and financial business area knowledge. From Siebel, it took CRM knowledge. From Hyperion, it took analytics or reporting knowledge. And for existing their e-business suite, they took financial knowledge. By acquiring all the best products at that point of time, Oracle taken the knowledge from all these existing ERP products. Oracle developed a new product called Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. That is why I have mentioned the point as Oracle Fusion applications were built on best business processes. So if anyone asks me now, Oracle Fusion applications are very successful in all the business areas. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take CRM, projects, any business area you take. Now Oracle applications are very stable and very successful. That is the reason rapid customer adoption happening in the market. That is the reason the demand for this technology we have seen at a very phenomenally going rise. And that is a point where the openings or the recruitment in the market also going on with a full swing. Okay. Now team, they can be deployed through selection of options. Okay. They're built on standard based platform. They're built on best business processes. Okay. And Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What do you mean by that? If any company or a customer planning to buy this Oracle Fusion applications from Oracle team for their in-house business usage, application can be delivered or deployed through deployment options. Several deployment options we have. What are these team? We have on-premise versus cloud deployment option team. So if a customer want to buy this product from Oracle or any company want to buy this product from Oracle, then team, the Oracle Fusion applications can be delivered to the customer in two ways. See the question here team, how can we access Fusion applications? Cloud and on-premise, two deployment options available. What do you mean by on-premises, Kumar? On-premises is the traditional way of deployment team. In the on-premises model, customer have to buy application from Oracle, then they have to buy server from Oracle, they have to buy data center, and they have to install that server in their office premises. As the name itself telling, see, on-premises, in the customer's office premises. In the on-premise model team, customer who buying this product along with the application, they have to buy the server from Oracle. and data center from Oracle, and they have to install the application in that server, and they have to maintain that server in their office premises. For this team, the client also should maintain the team of database administrator, system network specialist, security administrator, the entire team to maintain the application, the client or the customer to be taking care of team. So on premises is the traditional way of deployment team. But earlier, Oracle delivered the application in both the ways. But now, as we are in 2023, if you talk about as of now, Oracle stopped the on-premise model team in the Fusion application. Now, any customer who buying this product, it will be on a cloud-based deployment. On a cloud platform, Oracle Fusion applications will be delivered. What do you mean by cloud? Cloud is nothing but team, any service that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. Means what? A perfect example, the Google Gmail, that what you are using in your day-to-day life. Are you installing that anywhere in your laptop or PC? No. Just you are going to Google Chrome or any browser and you are typing as Google Gmail. Then it is prompting with sign in and password, user ID and password. You are giving your credentials over there and you could able to access the Gmail. You can send email, whatever you want. Similarly, Oracle Fusion cloud applications also team. Customer no need to install this software anywhere in their desktops, laptops or PCs. It is purely on a cloud-based model. Whenever a company buy the license from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of URL. This is what the perfect example team. See, this is the product, simple. Cloud-based application means a URL will be delivered. So on any browser, if I pass my URL and if I search, then I could able to get into the application team. I can get into the application team. See, anywhere do I installing this application team? Now, this is what the Fusion application home screen. Basically, it will ask for user ID and password. In my browser currently, I have logged in for my previous class. That's why automatically it went to login home screen. But this is what team, like when you keep your URL in a new browser, this is the page it will prompt. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. If you log in with your user ID and password, and if you give to a sign, click on sign in, then see the screen is loading and you will be able to land up on the applications team. This is the Fusion application main home screen. So cloud-based model means that one thing. So customer no need to buy, no need to install the software anywhere in the laptop or PC. Application will be hosted over the cloud network of Oracle team, right? Okay. Within cloud also team, we have 3 deployment options available. Just give me a second, team. Okay. Within the cloud application team, within the cloud deployment option also, again, we have 3 sub deployments available. Means what? Whenever a customer buying this product from Oracle team, Oracle will ask the customer what license that you want to go with. Within the cloud, we have SaaS model, that is SaaS, software as a service. Then we have PaaS model, PaaS, platform as a service. And we have another is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So when a customer buying this license team, Oracle will ask what license you want to go with. See, how can we access Fusion Cloud? Now, next question, who maintains the application? So here my company means team, a customer who buying the product, they have to maintain. So next question is team, Does your company have your own cloud data center? No. Like to use Oracle data center? If yes, install Fusion application in company's data center. Buy IaaS from Oracle. So in IaaS model team, it will be called as infrastructure as a service. Means what? Along with the application, customers will buy infrastructure to maintain the application team. They will buy the what to say? They will buy the infrastructure. They will buy the data center, and everything with respective to the application will be maintained by the client here team. In IaaS model, they can do whatever they want with respective to the application. The scope of customizing the product will be very high. They can design the new application on top of what Oracle delivering, and whatever the customizations within the applications they want, customer can buy, because along with the application, Oracle is also giving infrastructure to maintain that application team. If not IaaS model, then what team? Who maintains the application? Oracle. Then next question team. Do we need application alone? Then yes, buy SaaS application from Oracle. Basically, in the market, whenever any company buying the product from Oracle, by default, the SaaS license Oracle will sell. In SaaS license team, the standard Oracle designed product will be delivered with the standard features, everything. And nothing client need to maintain team. Everything will be maintained by Oracle in the SaaS license. Just the company will buy the license from Oracle. They will implement according to the requirement and they can start using the application. No need to maintain anything with respective to the application, like the networking, the data, or their upgradations, maintenance, security. Everything will be maintained by Oracle team. In SaaS license, the scope of customization is zero. Means team, whatever standard Oracle delivered features that Oracle giving in the product, company or the client have to use only them. They can't customize the application according to their requirement team. But no, we also need a platform and tools to create applications and services. Then buy SaaS and PaaS from Oracle. So some of the clients team requires certain level of customizations. For example, integrations team. Like in Oracle Fusion system, they are implementing couple of modules in HCM, like core HR absence. Payroll, they want to maintain in some third-party system. So they want to integrate these two systems team, the data to be integrated. So they require some connections or OIC, Oracle Integration Cloud, which is a integrator tool that Oracle are offering in the market. So along with the SaaS, some additional tools also customer have to subscribe team. At that point of time, they can go with SaaS and PaaS licenses. So these are the 3 cloud deployment options available. So based upon the client business requirement, whenever they're buying the product from Oracle, they will choose. SaaS license will be cost effective and it will be in the economical ranges team. It's not too costly compared to PaaS and IaaS. Compared to SaaS, PaaS will be bit costlier, and compared to PaaS, IaaS will be more costlier, because team in IaaS model, along with the application, Oracle also giving the entire infrastructure to maintain the application. So the cost will be very high in IaaS subscription. So client will choose, or the customers will choose which offering they want to go. But by default team, SaaS license is what usually client will opt for. This is just for the information at the high level team. Whenever you are working or whenever you go for an interview, no one will question you, what is your client subscription details? No one will ask you team. Just to have the high level understanding about the applications, I have included this slide to make you clear. Okay. Then team, after this one, we can talk about, this is okay. In the cloud deployment options only, as I told, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS team. So if you see on-premises team here, if a application have to be running means these all components to be working together, like application is required, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, servers, storage, networking team. In on-premise, if you see the legend here, blue color, you manage. You in the sense, the company or the customer who buying the product team, they have to manage everything in on-premises. But if you see in the cloud option team, in the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, other managers means on behalf of the client, Oracle will manage team. See, in SaaS licensee, everything is in orange color. Other managers means what? Everything Oracle will manage team. Just a company or a customer will buy the license from Oracle and they start using the application. Everything related to the application maintenance will be taken care by Oracle. In PaaS, application and data client will maintain, or the company who buying will maintain team. Other components Oracle will maintain. In infrastructure, application, data, runtime, middleware, operating system, these components as a customer who buying the product, you will maintain team. The rest of all the things Oracle will maintain. This is just a comparative chart within the cloud deployment services, what components are maintained by Oracle and what as a customer buying the product, the company have to maintain, right? And then team, if we move on to types of companies involved, let me go to Excel sheet. So we will talk about team types of companies involved in this product. From last 15 minutes, I'm using the words like company, client, customer. What are these? Let us understand team. So types of companies in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay. In Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay. So typically, 3 types of companies will be involved in the Oracle Fusion applications team, or any software application or product in the market you take. Typically, 3 types of companies will be involved team in the usability of these applications. Who are they? First is service provider. First is service provider. And then team, second is customer or client. Customer or client company. Okay. Service provider company, then customer or client company, and then team, the third type will be consulting companies. Consulting companies. So these are the 3 types of companies typically involved in any usability of the applications team. Who is a service provider team? Who is a service provider team? Company who sells the product. Company who sells the product. Example, who will be selling this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications team? Oracle Corporation. Okay. Because this product belongs to Oracle, right? So service provider company team, or you can call it as vendor company also. See, whenever you go into the real-time working, these terminologies you people should be aware of. Who is a vendor, who is a service provider team. So service provider company or vendor company is nothing but team, company who sells the product. So who is selling this Oracle Fusion applications team? Oracle Corporation is going to sell. Okay. Now customer or client. Customer or client company. So here team, companies or a company who uses the product. Company who buy and uses the product is called as customer or a client team. For example, you take any companies in the market, let's say Tata, let's take Reliance, or let's take Amazon, okay, or Apple, okay, anything you take. Service provider or a vendor who is selling this product, Oracle selling this product. This Oracle applications are belong to Oracle Corporation. Okay. Now, who is the customer or the client to this particular product team? Company who buy and uses the product. For example, team, you take Tata Group, a very well-known Indian company that every one of us know. Now, Tata want to buy this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team from Oracle in order to use in their in-house HR business operations. So now Tata Group planning to buy this Oracle applications from the Oracle. So he is the vendor now who is selling the product, and he is the client or the customer who buying the product from Oracle and use for their in-house HR operations team. Okay. Now, who are these consulting companies team? Consulting companies are nothing but company who will implement the product to the client. Company who will implement the product to the client. Example team, the so-called IT companies in the market, Deloitte, okay, or Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, okay, or Capgemini, and anything that you can name a team here. So consulting companies are nothing but team companies who will be implementing the product to the client. So typically 3 companies will be involved in any of the applications team. One company that who offers the product, who sells the product in the market. One company who will buy that product for their in-house HR operations or whatever the requirement they have team. Now Tata Group purchased the license from Oracle. Now what Tata have to do team? Tata, let's suppose it's not an IT company. Forget about TCS quite some time. Let's suppose Tata is into automobiles or manufacturing or into steels, different wing. So now Tata bought this license from Oracle team. Now, according to their requirement, according to their business requirement, the product what Tata purchased from Oracle need to be configured or implemented. So what the Tata Group will do? Tata Group will reach to the consulting companies in the market, the so-called IT or software companies team. And Tata will give project to the IT companies. For let's assume time being Deloitte. So Tata Group approached Deloitte and they have given the project to Deloitte and asking them to implement the product as per their requirement. And these consulting companies will take up that project and they will do the implementation and they will hand over to the Tata. So that Tata Group can use the application in their day-to-day HR activities team. Now, okay, Kumar, what is our role here? Once I learn this technology, where I will be landing upon? I will be working on the vendor company or the client company, or I will be working on consulting companies. Your predominant role will be in the consulting companies team, because we will be working in these so-called IT companies as a Oracle Fusion HCM consultants. We will be working. This is our job profile team or our job role. So we will be working as Oracle Fusion HCM consultants in these IT companies. So whenever our company got the projects from the client, we will be deployed into that team and we will be deployed into that project. And we will be configuring or implementing the Oracle Fusion HCM system for our client. So our entire training will be on that grounds only. An end-to-end implementation training you are going to get here. Let's say once you got the job and once you deploy into the project, what is the implementation that you are going to do there for your client? That we are going to see it in. Now within the roles, when we reach out to the modules topic, I will tell you. Technical consultant means what, functional consultant means what they will do. But this is what types of companies involved with team. So at any time going forward, if you hear somewhere vendor, client, customer, or consulting companies, then you have to know who is a client or a customer, who is a consulting company, and who is a vendor. Okay. This is about types of companies involved with team. And we will be working or starting our careers here in this consulting companies in the market. Right, team? Now, moving ahead, I will talk about Fusion Environment Releases team. Means what? In which year Oracle introduced this product team? In 2006, I told you, Oracle acquired all the existing ERP products in the market. I was telling you, like PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, everything. And Oracle took close to 5 years team. And in the year 2011, Oracle introduced these Fusion applications in the market. Just when I mentioned about 2011, some of you might be getting a point by this time. Kumar, we are in 2023, already it is 12 years old. Do we have demand in this? It's not like that, team. In 2011, Oracle introduced this product in the market. But since 2015-16 onwards, the actual penetration of this product into the market started. And now, if you see, the demand for Oracle Fusion applications are phenomenal because many customers in the market were moving. The reason behind that, I will tell you. Why? Already, Oracle having a huge customer base team means what? Oracle is having already eBusiness Suite. And they also acquired PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. These all are the top ERP products in the market. Now, whoever the clients using these products, Oracle forcing them or insisting them to move to Oracle Fusion. Because the next future, for the next 20-25 years in the market, the Oracle Fusion applications is going to flourish. So the reason why the demand for Oracle Fusion applications been rising is all the existing customers of these products were insisted by Oracle to move to Fusion. They are supporting the customers still, whoever were using PeopleSoft, EBS or JD Edwards even. But going ahead, Fusion will be the prioritized ERP in the Oracle business. So they are forcing the customers to move to Fusion applications team. That's okay, out of the box that is. Now, in the year 2011, Oracle introduced this product I'm telling team. So we have to talk about Fusion environment releases. Means what? In the year 2011, when Oracle introduced Fusion applications team, they came up with the release version of R1. Since then, it evolved gradually. Now, the latest version in the Fusion Cloud applications is R13. So in 2011, when Oracle introduced it, they came with R1. Since then, it evolved over a period. And as we are in 2023 now, the current latest version of our Oracle Fusion applications is release 13. Now, team, release 1 to release 9. Okay. Release 1 to release 9. Oracle applications were offered both on-premise and cloud deployment options team. Just before we discuss it, right? On-premise and cloud. From release 1 to release 9, whoever the customer bought the license during this point of time, application delivered both in on-premise and cloud model. But from release 10 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise. Now Fusion applications are available in the market only on the cloud-based model. If anyone asks you Oracle Fusion, tell them they are in cloud, no more on-premise. Okay. Then team, coming to the release versions also, Oracle came up with a decision that going forward, they won't change the release version. Means 2017 end and early 2018, this decision Oracle taken team. Okay. What is that? What is that? 2007 and early 2018. During this time, Oracle applications from release 12 to release 13, it came. Then Oracle made a decision that team, going forward, they won't change the release version. Static, they made it team. So 2023 we are. Next we go to 24, 25, 26. In future, anywhere you go. The release version Oracle made static for Fusion application. It will be R13. But within that, we have subversioning team. What is that? I will show you now. So where I can find Kumar, even whenever we given you the instance for practicing the lab access, if you want to verify what instance Kumar given us, whether it is the latest version or not, where you can find team. See this introduction to the application, what names we will call this URL as, what are these options, I will tell in tomorrow's session team. But just I want to tell you today, where in the system, once you log in, you can find the version of the application team. So once you log in with your user ID and password, this will be the home screen of the Fusion applications team. Here in the right side, you have something called settings and action at top corner. See, click on that one, settings and action. And bottom, you have something called about this application team. So click on that about this application. And here you can see the applications version. What is that? 23B. And there is some numbering team, 11.13. Let me copy it. Okay. So this is the version. Kumar, you told release 13, no? Where it is? Here, see team. In application development framework, REL 13. Then middleware extension, if you see, REL 13. Then database compatibility, if you see, REL 13. So the version or the current version is team REL. Release 13.22b. The current version as of today, June 28, 2023, the current version of the Fusion application is team release 13.23b 11.13.23.04. What is that? I will tell you. What is this 23b means what? Now team, coming to the Oracle Fusion environment policy, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. What do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy, Kumar? Every year, how many quarters we have team? As a calendar wise, if you know, anyone guess? You have 4 quarters, right team? Like what team? We have Jan to February. That is quarter A. In a year, we have 4 quarters team. Every 3 months, we will segregate as a quarter, right? Jan to February. Then March to May. Okay. Sorry, not Jan to February. It is Jan to March. Yeah. Then April to June. Okay. April to June. Then team July to September. Okay. July to September. Then the last quarter, October to December. So every year team, we have 4 quarters. Okay. Every year we have 4 quarters. Jan to March, April to June, July to September, October and December. So these 4 quarters team, Oracle designates as alphabet A for first quarter, alphabet B for second quarter, then alphabet C and alphabet D. So Oracle categorized or named each quarter as A, B, C, D. D stands for last quarter in the year. C stands for third quarter. B second, A1. Now, quarterly upgradation policy is nothing but team. For every quarter, Oracle enhance their application. From the point of software, upgrade Oracle will come up team for every 3 months. Because Oracle investing a lot in the research and development. Frequently, Oracle will take feedbacks from the customers who are using the application, and they continuously try to improve their application performance, new features, everything. So what happens team usually in our mobile also, whenever software upgrade come and you upgrade your software in the mobile, what comes? Any bugs, any issues are there, it will get fixed first of all. And any new features that your mobile coming up or your software coming up, that will be coming in the system, in the mobile. Similarly, team, within the Oracle Fusion applications also, every quarter when Oracle upgrades their application team, every time any existing bugs means issues or any sort of error, something happening in the system, the fixes will come, and also some new features, the enhancements to the application will come team every quarter. So it's not something like a phenomenal change will be there, but the basic cosmetic level enhancements or new features coming up in the system. So that is what quarterly upgradation policy. For every 3 months, Oracle give upgrade to their application team. And whenever the upgrade comes, the sequencing also will be, the version sequencing will follow accordingly. And team, you can see here, our current version is release 13.23b. What do you mean by 23b? 23 stands for the current financial year we are in. We are in 2023, right? Then 23. What is B? We are in which month, team? We are in the month of June. So April, May, June. We are in second quarterly release. So the current version is 23B. And last quarter, the release version was 23A. And next month, July, the new version will come. 23C, it will upgrade to. Then 23D. Then next year, if we enter 2024, then 24A, 24B, 24C, 24D. So the version numbering Oracle will follow in this format team. They have segregated quarterly, each quarter into alphabet A, B, C, D. So whatever the quarterly upgrade that latest your application is, that you can understand by seeing that. 23B means we are in second quarter upgrade of this current year. So next month, the upgradation will be 23C. Next, it will give 23D. Like that, every quarter team, Oracle gives upgradation to their application. Now you might ask me a question here. Kumar, you are telling every time some new features will be coming up, some new enhancements are coming up. So as a consultant who working on this application, if I want to upskill myself, then where I can find what are the new releases that Oracle coming up in this, or new features that Oracle coming in this upgrade? I will tell you team, in Oracle repository, where I will introduce to you the documentation part, I will tell you, it's an open source, but usually people don't know. But Oracle giving it for free access team, where you can go and you can find in next quarter what new functionalities Oracle coming up with. So learning the application should not stop with one time. Okay. Learning the application should not stop with one time. As application is growing, you should also grow along the application team. So once you start your career, you should also grow along with the application so that you will be up to date with the application features or functionalities, everything. That I will tell you when we discuss about knowledge repository team. So whenever you're working in the real time, for every quarterly upgrade, when the application is getting upgraded team, several things that as a consultant, you as a project that you are supporting for the client, you have to do. Like we will be coming across pre-testings, regression testings, sanitary checks, post-upgrade testings. that all there will be activity team. And we also prepare impact analysis document every quarter for the client. Like in this new release, these new features are coming. There won't be any impact to your existing functionalities. We have to educate them. We have to present it to the client. That all we will see in our workshop on implementation and support project team. But just to keep a note of that one, I am telling you. So this is about Oracle environment release or the policy that Oracle will follow. Then what is this, Kumar? 11.13.23.04. 23, I told you, the current financial year we are in. P means what? I told you, the current quarter that what we are in. Okay. 11 means 2011, the year which Oracle introduced the application. 13 means release 13, right? The Oracle applications are in the version of release 13. Then 23, the year, the current year, 2023. Then 04 is what, team? Now we are in second quarterly release, 23B, right? So in the second quarter, team, what is the first month? April is the first month, right? So this April is what, team? 4, right? Fourth month, that is 04. So this is how, if you want to decode your version every month, you have to do, team. So if you ask me, Kumar, next release, what would be the sequence that Oracle come? It will be like this: release 13, 23C, okay, 11.13.23.07.0. So 07 means third quarter, first month is what? July. That it will take. So next month when the application, okay, next month when the application is going to come up with an upgrade team, the next sequencing that will be like this: 23C, 11.13.23.07. So this is about, team, Fusion environment releases and the upgradation policy that Oracle will follow every quarter. Now, team, I will move on to the modules that we have in this Fusion application, team. What are the modules or the course curriculum that we have, team? Modules in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. So here I will be talking about, team, what comes under the functional side of the application and what comes under the technical side of the application, team. So coming to the modules, what are the modules we have, team? The entire Oracle Fusion HCM applications categorized into different modules, team. We have different modules in this application. They are, number 1, core HR, or you can even call it as global HR, team, global human resource or core HR. Then we have absence management. Okay. Then we have Oracle payroll. We have something called Oracle payroll. Then, team, we have something called talent management. So in talent management, team, again, you have sub-modules like profiles. Then we have goals. Then we have performance. Then succession planning. Like that, couple of modules we have within the talent team. Couple of sub modules we have. Then we have something like, team, compensation and benefits. See, compensation and benefits are two different modules all the way around. But usually we will call them together, team, like compensation and benefits. But they are two different modules. And then we have the modules like OTL, Oracle time and labor, and some advanced modules like OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. And then we have something like ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Right, team? And then something like we have help desk and safety, like that. So these are the modules that we have in the Fusion system team. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation and benefits, OTL, Oracle Learning Cloud, Recruiting Cloud, Help Desk and Safety. A part of these modules, we have also some other topics in the Fusion system. What are they? Let me list out them. We have something called security administration. Then we have something called workflows and approvals. And we have something called team sandbox. Okay, nothing but customizations and personalizations team. Okay, and then we have something like inbound integrations. I'm listing out the entire course modules, whatever we have in this team. Inbound integrations we have. Within that team, we have something like HDL. Okay, and then we have something like a spreadsheet, data loader, like that. And we have something like, okay, we have something like outbound integrations team. Then in this, we have something like BIP reports, then OTBI reports, then HCM extracts. And team, we have one more concept additionally called fast formulas. So fast formulas basically an integral component within absence, payroll, compensation, benefits, and other modules team. But just let me list out all the things that we have in the system. Okay. So these are the modules we have in the system team. And a part of the modules, these are the other components we have in the Fusion system. Now, if you ask me, Kumar, what comes under functional and what comes under technical in this particular concept? Okay. Okay. All the modules in the system, comes under functional side of the application team. All the modules in the system comes under the functional side of the application. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, OTL, everything. And then team, even security, workflows, and sandbox. If you personally ask me, as an Oracle segregation also, these components also comes under functional side. But from the training part, if you see any institutes in the market who offering this training, they will segregate these components for the purpose of dividing the curriculum between functional and technical, because technical components are minimal. To make a batch, they will include these components also in the technical side. But if you ask me from the point of Oracle, these three also comes under functional side. Then what comes under technical? These things comes under the technical side of the application team. So all these functional modules and these concepts are part of functional side of the application team, right? Then these components will come under the technical side of the application, right? So what we are going to see in each of the module, Kumar, in core HR module team, the entire employee management we are going to handle in the core HR, like all our clients, organizations, their departments, their operating units, their jobs, locations, position, hiring the employee, transfer, promote, demote, terminate, hire to terminate. Everything with respective to the employee management, we will handle in the core HR module team. Then absence module. Here, every organization in the market or any company, you take an example team, even in your current companies also where you are working, you will have leaves, right? Different types of leaves, annual leave, casual leave, sick leave, maternity leave. The entire leave management will be handled in the absence management module. Then payroll. Payroll what team? every company will pay salaries to the employee. So it's country to country, different pay cycles will be there. In our Asian countries, usually we will follow monthly pay. But if you go to US, UK, Canada, Australia, they will follow weekly pay, bi-weekly pay, monthly pay, whatever it might be. Team. The entire salary management will be handled in the payroll module. Then talent. Like as we know, every year companies will conduct the performance evaluation team, whatever the work that they perform. Okay. So everything related to the goal setting, performance evaluation will handle in talent module. Then compensation and benefits. These two are the dependent modules in the payroll team. In compensation, any sort of stocks, shares, bonus, overtime, other than salary, anything that you want to compensate to the employee, that all payments that you will be configuring in the compensation module team. Then benefits we have. In some of the countries team, as per the country rules, people will be enrolled with several insurance plans. That all will be handled in the benefits module. Then OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. In this module team, like in any company, the time recording, like timesheet filling for the week, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out, the time recording of the employee for payroll processing for the month will be handled in the time and labor module team. Then OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. These are advanced modules. Many companies not adopted for these things, but still they are offering in the system. But let me tell you what are they. In this OLC team, in any company that you onboard newly, they will ask you to complete several training programs, several video courses they will enable to you. You have to go through, they will conduct quiz, exams, everything, right? So it's a kind of learning portal where companies can use to register the courses, enable the courses to the employees to upskill themselves. That platform will be provided in OLC. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, all the recruitment activities like raising the job requisitions, then filtering the profiles from different job portals, conducting the interviews, then giving the feedbacks, releasing the offer letter, everything will be handled in ORC module team, Recruiting Cloud. Help desk and safety is nothing but a ticketing tool within the Fusion system. Like any sort of complaints that internally employees want to raise, they need a tool to raise the request where the concerned department will be knowing about that one. So it's a kind of help desk is a ticketing tool within the Oracle system. Oracle came up with team very recently. Then we have security administration. What is that team? Here in the security, we will be talking about the concept of user account creations, then role access in the system, everything. Like whenever employee hire a team, how the user accounts for the application will be created. I logged in with my user. How that user account for the employees will be created. And when I log in, I could able to see several functionalities here team. How this access provisioning to me. In Fusion system, the entire security is working on a concept called roles team. That all user management, role management, we are going to see in the security administration area. Then we have workflows and approvals team. Means what? In any company, these things are common. Like, let's say example, my client is telling, Kumar, whenever an employee apply the leave, it should go for concerned manager for approval. Once manager approved, it should go for second level manager for approval. Something like that. The approvals for several transactions you can achieve in this workflow and approvals team. Then you have sandbox, something like any customizations in the system. Client is telling Kumar, I want my logo here and I don't want background theme of this one. Can you please change it to white? Or I don't want the font in this color. Certain level of customizations and personalizations to the application you can achieve through sandbox team. Then coming to technical side, inbound integrations. What we have team inbound integrations means like when we go for an implementation team, for example, by that time, our client might be using some other HR ERP tool. Okay. They might be using SAP or they might be using e-business suite or PeopleSoft something. We want to migrate the data from that legacy system or the existing client HR system to the Fusion application. How you can do? There are certain data migration process available, templates available team or the tools available team called HDL, HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader. Like any sort of data, if you want to upload into the system in a bulk, we have rapid data migration templates available team. That comes under inbound integration. So we are going to see that here. Then outbound integration, like from the Fusion system, any sort of data that our client want to extract in the form of reports. Let's say my client is telling, Kumar, in the month of June, I want to know how many people I recruited. Or in the month of June, how many people applied annual leave. Or in the month of June, for how many people I paid salaries. I want report from the system. So Oracle given 3 reporting tools within the Fusion application team called BIP reports, OTBI reports, and extracts. So these are the reporting tools. And we have something called fast formula. So fast formulas are used to maintain certain calculations, certain validations in the absence, payroll, OTL, compensation across different modules. These fast formulas will be used team. Okay. So this is about the total modules or the technical components within the Fusion application. Now, here, many of you having a question. Kumar, I am not from a technical background. Can I learn this or not? Absolutely, you can learn. It's a completely non-coding application team. People from any background, they can easily understand and they can configure the system. Only area where SQL requirement is there is here team. Whenever we're working on BIP reports. In this BIP reports area only, the SQL knowledge or the prerequisite is needed because BIP reports in the Fusion system will be built based on the query that we are writing team. From the database table, we have to write a query and we have to build a report. Only here, OTBI and extracts also, without using this, you can manage. But BIP report is something mandatorily you require SQL. But what should I do? I don't know SQL, let's suppose. Then team, see, whoever learning the course team, no consultant in the market will know all the things. Okay, first be clear with that point. None of the consultants who working on this technology in the market will be excel in all the areas. So if you are not familiar with SQL team, we will not include this component in our profile. And moreover, before that, I want to tell you, what about the job openings in the market? Do I have to try as a core functional consultant or core technical consultant or techno-functional consultant? Market is very clear team. Still, till now, if you ask me, functional consultants, the job roles will be like this. Functional consultants, then technical consultants, okay, and then team, techno-functional consultants. So our Fusion application job market categorized into these 3 roles. If you're learning a course, you should be in either of these categories. Functional consultant, technical consultants, and techno-functional consultant. If you want to go with a pure functional, that's fine. The recruitment is very good. If you want to go with only core technical, then also fine. You can go with core technical role. But predominantly team, core functional or core technical, if you are a techno-functional consultant, your profile will be picked more, on a higher priority team. And even the demand, currently the market is looking, or the demand is very high for techno-functional consultants. The reason behind this team, simple. Rather than taking 2 people, if I take one person who know both, that will be a cost advantage to the company, right? Salary point of view, company will be saved. That is the only reason. Because unlike e-business suite, the technical dependency in the Fusion applications are not that bigger or that high. So usually people who learning the technology, they can learn functional and they can also learn technical. It's not a big deal. But when you're learning technical, if you are not familiar with SQL, just skip that BIP part. Just skip that BIP part. Still you consider as techno-functional team. I suggest everyone who learning my course or even our course curriculum also designed for techno-functional pointing. I suggest everyone to focus on this one. But again, it's a choice. Kumar, I want to go only functional. I don't want to touch any technical components. Still okay. Companies are recruiting. But if you are this, even in the package discussion also, you have a higher edge. Okay. Then what I have to keep in my profile? Okay. Or what things I have to choose when I'm learning higher concentration on which modules I have to keep. First of all, team, I will tell you what will be our course curriculum. In this program, what are the modules we are going to cover? As we already shared the course curriculum to all of the participants team, it will be a techno-functional training on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. We are going to cover the modules in the functional like core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation. These 5 modules on the functional side will be covered, team. Coming to the other side of the application, and even security, workflow, sandbox also will be covered as part of functional. And coming to the technical side, these all components will be covered. So it's a complete techno-functional training team. And when you're learning the functional again, Kumar, there are 8 to 9 modules you are telling, but is it sufficient if I learn 4 or 5 modules? Absolutely, team. Any 3 to 4 modules, you keep your higher concentration. When you're learning also, 3 to 4 modules. Core HR, absence, payroll, and also talent, if you can. These 4 modules, if you highly concentrate also, it will be sufficient. If not talent, Kumar, I want compensation. Okay, fine. At least 3 to 4 modules you have to keep in the profile. No one will know all the modules, team. Again, I'm telling, no need to learn everything. 3 to 4 modules, you have to be very perfect. And security, workflows, and sandbox also, you can manage, team. These are also very interesting and understandable concepts. So along with 3 to 4 modules, these concepts and technical side, team, you can include inbound integration, HDL and SDL. In outbound, you can include OTBI and extracts and fast formula. Even then, you will be considered as techno-functional consultant. If you don't know SQL, please keep that BIP report. If you are expert or if you know SQL, then fair enough. Anyhow, we are going to cover as part of that training. You can also learn that BIP report and you can include that in the profile. But without that also, team, your profile can be considered as techno-functional consultant. So this is what our training curriculum will be. So what are the training side support that you will be getting? What will be the timing for this course every day? And how many months it is going to be? How many hours of training it will be? It will be, team, 2.5 months duration course. It will be 2.5 months duration. And then it will be consists of close to 85 to 90 hours. If you convert them into hours, it will be 85 to 90 hours of program. And then every day it will be Monday. I mean, in every week, it will be 5 days a week, like Monday to Friday. Every day, the timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Today is demo. I stretch it a bit long, but every day it will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the duration will be 2.5 months, team. And what you are going to get in this training? Every day you will be getting the live training, and along with this, team, you will be getting access to the videos for lifetime. Lifetime access to videos. Where I can access the sessions, Kumar? Let's say any day that you are missing the session, you couldn't able to attend the live training and you want to check it late night or tomorrow morning some point of time. How? Basically, team, we will not be sharing the sessions on a drive or something like that. We have our own dedicated LMS portal, learning management portal. Like in our website, you can go here, you can have your login team. Once you enroll into the course, you will be getting access to this portal. You can go to login here, and then you can give your credentials team, okay, user ID and password, and you can click on sign in. You will land upon your dashboard. And here you can see your enrolled courses team, whatever the course that you are enrolled for, that you can see. So you can get into the course every day, and all the sessions team day by day will upload with the topic names, and you can click on that session and you can watch it here. You can give your password, like I'm giving a password for this video. Okay, then you can watch the session here team. So this video access will be given you for lifetime. Once the enrollment confirmed team, you will be given access. Once you receive your credentials, you can reset the password. It will be for lifetime. And then team, coming to the lab access. For practicing, how many months? You will be getting 5 months of stable server access. When I use the word stable, there is not much of meaning here team. What is this? Usually you will get the refresh instances outside. Means what team? You will be giving with Oracle demo instances. Every 3 days, every 1 week, or every 5 days, the data will be refreshed. Like whatever the configurations you are doing in the system, that will be gone. You have to do again team. But it's not the case here. We are going to provide you the private environment team. We have our own private server where you can practice end-to-end configurations or implementation in that server. So 5 months of server access will be given to you for practicing team. Along with that, all materials for each module. When I use the word materials team, it's not the standard Oracle given documents. The custom materials that what we prepared for each module, all material with screenshots and navigations will be provided to you. And we will be providing you the assignments for each module also team. Assignment to assignment, we are going to provide you the list of assignments where you can practice team. I'll come to the questions soon, just next 2 minutes. Okay. And then we will be also providing you the interview questions. Okay. Our placement support will start here team. For each module, interview questions and answers, both fresher and experienced scenario-based questions you will be getting, where you can download that PDF team. And also, we will be assisting you with the resume preparation also team. And then every Saturday and Sunday, we will be having the mock interviews. Whoever are interested, once the course completed and the resume preparation completed team, we do help them for the mock interviews. And whoever performing well, even we will be sharing the profiles to the companies also. So in the last 1 week, we have seen about close to 6 people got placed at team. Okay, we have both freshers and experienced requirements coming from different companies. So we will be sharing the profiles from our side as well. So these are the total course offerings that you will be getting team. Next, whenever I talk about a materials, you will be getting the folder like this. You'll be getting a Google Drive folder, each module by module, whatever the materials within that particular module, you can able to get into that and you can access them. Let's say interview questions. If I go, like all the module related interview questions, you can see team, real-time scenarios, interview question folder, everything. Then if you go to assignments, here you can see a couple of assignments for a couple of modules team. Okay. And even we will be conducting the workshops on the implementation and support projects team. Because when you start your career in this technology, you don't know. You might be placed in implementation project or you might be placed in support projects. So what will be your role? So we are going to conduct a workshop team where we will give you an overview about end-to-end implementation process. Like what is, once you get into the project, what you will do, because you might be going with some experience keeping and you might be trying your jobs. So you don't know what really happened in the real time in the company team. So we will give you that immense knowledge also, like project management plan, kickoff study, as is study, to be study. So in any project, what will be the start and what will be the end till go live? At each phase, what document we have to prepare? RD50 means what? BP80 means what? Or solution designing means what? Or TE40 or BR100? How that document looks. Even the sample documents also we will provide to you team. See in the materials folder, if you go to OEM methodology, implementation methodology, how the requirement gathering, how the solution designing, how the test scripts, you will be getting all these real-time documents also, where you can understand how the real-time implementation and support will go, right team? So this is about the course offerings in this program team. I planned out for a couple of more things to discuss today, like the certification process and also Oracle Knowledge Repository. Tomorrow we can take that up team. So tomorrow also you can attend the session with the same Zoom meeting link what you attended for today at 8 p.m. So we will continue team. From tomorrow it will be the regular classes. I mean, we don't have any break. Today we had a demo. From tomorrow we are going to continue with the regular topics team. So tomorrow also you can attend the same link. Tomorrow also is a free session. If you want to confirm the enrollments, you can reach out to us team. And if you want to attend for tomorrow also, and if you want to confirm also, fine. You can attend the same Zoom meeting link for tomorrow's class also. And people who had to contact, I request everyone, please reach out to us on the number that you are seeing on the Excel here team. 8179-563-510. So if anyone want to speak with me, I will be available on this number. You can WhatsApp us or you can even call to us, okay? Not today, at least by tomorrow. Then let me move on to the questions for today, team. You can unmute yourself and you can ask me the questions, team.
Hey, this is Sunil.